I'll go. Dear my dearest hubby, first of all, I want to thank you for everything you've done for me and for the kids. Thank you for being the best, even though I'm at my worst. You did not give up on me. Instead, you love me more and more. Today is our second wedding anniversary. I thank God because He made us stronger, though the distance separated us, but our love always connected to each other. So many ups and downs we have been experienced, but still here we are keeping our promises that for the better and for worse, good health and sickness, love did do us part. Today I promise you again that I'm forever yours, a faithful and a loving wife of yours. I promise you to keep to keep your heart in my heart, water it with love every day, and nurture it so that it will grow healthy. I know I'm not the best wife, especially when I'm in a bad day, but I let you know that my love for you is getting bigger and bigger because of you. Unlimited understanding. You always do your best to make me smile and make me feel better again. I love you and I always will. Me and the kids
Oh,
forever be here for you. We love you so much. We are always here for you no matter what. Thank you for making my dreams into reality. I love you, hubby Andrew. God bless you, us, and to our family. Love, your wife. Love you.
love you too. I cry.
Oh,
Love you.
love
Thank you. It
you.
means a lot to hear that.
Again, again, happy second anniversary to us.
Yes. And hopefully 20 more.
Love,
At least 20 more,
and
40 more.
more.
All right. Love you.
Love you. Love you much. We
Love
love
you
you.
too. Love you too.
Love you. Okay,